Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, another day, another bad day in the market, and you know what we do here at Viral Stocks. Even when the market is trending downwards, we do our very best to find you guys the best plays in the market because we don't care about the overall trend. We're not here to find the next best dividend stock. We're not here to tell you to buy Apple for the long term because it's going to go up. We're not here to tell you to invest in the S&P 500 and get your 10% every year on average every decade, right? We're here to find those short-term, high probability trading opportunities. And as you guys can see, for over 5 years, this is exactly what we have been doing. We have been providing a completely free service to a countless number of traders, featuring only the best in the micro cap arena stocks, right? And I have a ton of good stocks to share with you guys in today's video. Like I said, even as the rest of the market continues to trend downwards, I'm going to keep a few stocks that I want you guys to have on your watch list here in the relatively near future. Now, make sure you guys obviously come over and sign up at viralstocks.io. Every single day we run our scans, we do our research, we look for catalysts, we put a lot of great content out on our YouTube channel, but ultimately some of our best plays in the market are sent out to only our subscribers for our email and text alert list, where you can get our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts, right? All you have to do is type in your email address and then type in your phone number. Make sure and type in your phone number it's just a lot more faster and more efficient. Sometimes we have issues with email, so make sure and type in your phone numbers. You guys definitely get these alerts, but I'm going to give you guys a little hint. We may just have an alert coming out tomorrow. So make sure you guys are signed up here at viralstocks.io. This stock will not be talked about on the YouTube channel, and we will be sending this alert out just before market open. So you guys, if you want, you're able to get in the stock and possibly make a quick buck, right? Make sure and always do your own research first. We are not financial advisors whatsoever, but we do got a nice alert coming up for you guys tomorrow as long as price action meets our scanner. So make sure and sign up here at viralstocks.io. I will leave that link in the description below. But the first stock I want to talk about here is Redbox, and all I have to say about this stock is once a meme stock, always a meme stock, right? Every day, Redbox continues to provide great opportunities for swing trade investors to make a lot of money. So keep this stock on your watch list because the high and low swings here, there is tons of money to be made. As you can see, this stock is up triple digits here just in the last 5 days. So a great opportunity here presented to investors. Now, also guys, make sure and keep an eye on some of these stocks here. We can see stocks are running today. We've had a couple stocks run triple digits today, even while the rest of the market is trending downwards. So I want to share this stuff with you guys so you can see that and not get discouraged, right? So you can still see that there is potential in this market and there is still money to be made. So as we can see, Black Sky Technology Incorporated here, ticker symbol BKSY. This stock shot up over 100% today just based off of a very, very good catalyst, right? And so what we can see here is the NRO on Wednesday announced contracts worth billions of dollars over the next decade to a trio of satellite imagery companies, Maxar, Planet, and Black Sky. This U.S. intelligence agency, the U.S. intelligence agency, touted the contracts as a historic expansion of its acquisition strategy. So I want you guys to see here that this is a big catalyst play, right? This stock shot up over 100% just based off of a big catalyst, right? And so that's exactly what we're looking out for in this market, is big catalyst plays. We can see another one here. This is going to be ticker symbol STON, Stonemore Incorporated here, right? This is a stock that shot up over 50% today on a big catalyst that they're having a deal with Axar. So another big catalyst play here. So understand that this is the type of things that can happen, right? And as you can see here, this Seeking Alpha author lays it out perfectly for Stonemore. He says only a catalyst can generate value for investors, right? Relative to other players in this space, his shares look quite pricey and upside very, very limited. He says only a catalyst could make this stock shoot up, and this was only a few weeks ago, and now we can see, yes, it did, based off of this news right here, made this stock shoot up over 50%. So I want to highlight these stocks because it's to show you that even as SPY trends downwards today, we got the FOMC meeting, everything's crazy, right? Still, stocks are shooting up massively off of big catalysts. So if we can find those stocks with big catalysts, then guess what? We can have a chance to make a lot of money, and that's what we do on this channel. We do all of the research for you. We take everything off of your back. We do the research and we try to find you guys the best opportunities in the market. And obviously we cannot predict the future, but we are 100% so far with our plays, meaning all of them have made money. That is amazing. Anywhere from 10 to over 100%. We even had a 180% winner, and that was only a few months back. Much better market though. But Regardless, like I said, guys, we do the work for you, and we do have an alert coming out tomorrow with a big catalyst coming up with possible moves like BKSY and also Stonemore here. Possible catalyst that could do something like that. Make sure you're signed up here at viralstocks.io with your email and your phone number so you do not miss out on that hot penny stock alert right at the bell, so you guys can get in before everyone else does, right? Anyways, though, let's move on here to the next stock on today's list. I want to talk about this one a little bit because this one is interesting, right? This is ticker symbol GNCA. This stock is up 31% today, but wait. As we can see, this stock closes shop, delist from NASDAQ is pretty much over, right? Interesting, isn't it? But as we can see here, this stock absolutely fell off a cliff 5 days ago. Well, really 2 days ago on Monday here, it dropped about 60-70% of its value. But this is what I want to show you here. When stocks do this, if they get denied FDA approval, if this happens, that happens, whatever it may be, then a lot of times it has a big pump afterwards, right? It's because every reaction in the market is an overreaction. So stock got an overreaction here and ultimately started to come back up, right? Now, I'm not saying get in this play, but I'm saying when you see stuff like this happen, it fall off an absolute cliff, you can always get in the bottom and usually make a quick little bid here. Like this was a 36% gain here. At its highs, almost 50%. That's a big, big, big win there, right? Now, wouldn't recommend holding this company for the long term. It's got nothing going on, but just wanted to highlight that. Big dumps ultimately are overreactions. You guys can capitalize on those opportunities. Now, a couple things here. One with BBIG. I want to talk about BBIG because they have some big things coming up here. We're going to talk about the short squeeze potential as well. So for number one here, we can see BBIG and tied dividends. I know a lot of you guys have been asking and want to know about your tied dividends. So just understand that you're going to have to hold after the ex-dividend date, right? And honestly, if you want to, you can pause the video, read this article here. If you guys want to make sure you get those dividends, just hold for a little while. You know what I mean? Make sure you get your dividends. Right now, ultimately, we could care less about these tied dividends here on this channel. We are focused on those short-term, high-probability trading opportunities, but just wanted to make sure you guys knew that and also talk a little bit about the short squeeze potential, right? So when you talk about short squeezes, here on this channel, we don't really focus on short squeezes like the apes, the massive short squeeze. We're holding for life, right? We're not focused on that. We'll take short squeezes all day long, right? Capitalize in a day or two and make a lot of money like we have on a few stocks already. But as far as holding for the squeeze, that is not what we're all about here. We're not long-term investors. We're not apes. We're all about profit and loss here on this channel. And honestly, I suggest that's how you should be as well. It means nothing to you guys if you're losing money in this market, right? You need to be winning. Everything about the stock market is profit and loss. Make money in the market. So everyone expecting this big squeeze after their earnings. That is not how squeezes work, though. Raising the cost to borrow, making the lenders bleed money, making it harder for them to borrow shares, more expensive to buy shares. That's ultimately how they keep the price down. So if you can stop that, that's ultimately when it could pay off. They can't borrow, prices start rising. At some point, they're ultimately going to have to close those short positions, right? So that is how short squeezes work. And ultimately, like this sentence says right here, it takes time. So I know you guys ask a lot. Personally, I'm not waiting here for the short squeeze to happen, right? I will get into BBIG if it presents a great opportunity for a short squeeze possibly, but a short nice entry and get in and get out and make some money, right? And I suggest you guys do the same. And also, if we see an alert about BBIG, we will be sure to send it out to our subscribers if that opportunity does present itself. We even got our stock here, VERU, up about 1% today. Another stock you guys want to keep your eye on. But so let's look at this real quick. Monkeypox stocks are absolutely killing it right now in this market. We have made money on them already. If you guys remember, GOVX was a stock that we were up massively on. This stock shot up 66% overnight, 300% just in the last 5 days. We called this on, I believe it was before market open on Monday, and we're able to run this up 66% for you guys. Shout out to everyone that was able to capitalize on that opportunity. That leads me to my next point, that there is many other stocks here that also have big opportunities as well if monkeypox progresses, if the cases go up, if they continue to buy vaccines, all those things. So I want to list those here for you. Oh, of course, we're not going to be able to see it there, so let's take another. So this was the other stock that I was most bullish on here, was ticker symbol BVNRY, Bavarian Nordic, right? And that is for one reason here. That is because they are in talk with many countries over the monkeypox vaccine. They're actually the only company out there that has a vaccine approved against monkeypox, has been approved in many countries, and they're in talks, or has been approached by many countries, in talks with nearly 20 countries about possibly buying vaccines. Many countries have approached us to buy vaccines. This is going to be absolutely huge if this actually happens, and you can believe these stocks are going to continue to shoot up more and more and more. So keep keep an eye on BVNRY and also GOVX Labs here, ticker symbol GOVX, right? That stock we made some cash on. So keep an eye out for those as well for the monkeypox vaccine. Guys, there's lots of opportunities in the market every single day. We're going to bring them to you here at viralstocks.io. If you want to get all our NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts, I suggest you enter in your phone number and your email. That link will be in the description below. I better see you there for a big alert tomorrow. I will be updating you guys on StockTwits and Twitter. And that's all I got for you guys in today's video, and I will see you in the next one.